1954 original Dodge Power Wagon. This vehicle has gone through a full frame-off restoration, finished in 1997. Since then, it's only had about 200 miles put on it. Those miles have been mostly for parades. This vehicle has sat in a collection for the last 14 years. It has just now been brought out and up for sale. Everybody knows how popular these are. This is fully functioning, running, driving, no leaks, no issues. Everything on it seems to work flawlessly. Original stake bed truck. Wheels, tires, period correct. It's got Douglas fir in the back, painted to match. Rest of the bed is in excellent condition. Outside, all of these panels removed. This is the original bracketry to remove it. Paint color is original Dodge Power Wagon spec. The builder of this vehicle was very in-depth in the Power Wagon community, able to get all original parts, no repops. Everything on it is original Dodge. Weather stripping throughout is new. This is the original color. The inside has never been repainted. That's how good it matches. Floorboards, floor pans. This was the truck prior to the restoration. Original that came with this truck. Power Wagon manual. Power Wagon service manual or driver's manual. Take a look at this. Is nothing less than show quality or collection quality. Door closes perfectly smooth. Top of the cab, excellent condition. All the window glass is new, seals are new. All of the lights, mirrors have all been painted, refinished. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine here. Engine's still in excellent condition, all original parts, nothing's been replaced. If it has been replaced, it was replaced with the stock components such as overflow bottles, stickers, horns. So this is an original winch vehicle. Only 50% of them came from the factory with the winch, and it is fully functioning, PTO driven. Power Wagon symbols down the side are brand new, both sides. Both clasps work extremely well. Once again, all components are period or era correct. This is a matching numbers engine all the way back and through driveline, all original components to this vehicle. Door panels all painted to match as well. Floorboards are original. That is original Power Wagon spec. We'll just go through the functionality of it now. Key on, there's a foot start up above the gas pedal. So 2 pumps. That is an ice cold start right there. Gauges are working. Dash, excellent condition. Hood vent is still functioning. All original spec is working on this vehicle. Now it does have updated blinkers. This is not stock. These have been added on for safety. So if you do decide to drive it, but they are on there, they are functioning. Heater works. Headlights work. I'll take a look. The heater is actually over here. I apologize. Not sure if you can hear that going on. Quick overview of the levers here. 4-wheel drive. This is parking brake, shifter, PTO for winch. So 4-wheel drive, parking brake, shifter, winch, PTO. Engine sits perfectly still. It has been rebuilt from bottom to top, as long as the transmission has as well. Undercarriage, better than excellent quality. Hood vent functioning. So here it is. 1956, 100% all original, nut and bolt frame off restoration, original winch vehicle, 4-wheel drive, Dodge Power Wagon.